Whoever invented the keyboard was a genius, because its design is so ingenious. There are mechanical keyboards and membrane keyboards. The one that clicks is the mechanical keyboard. The membrane keyboard is the one that is soft to press. Let's look at the membrane keyboard first. Its surface is a row of keys. Underneath the keys is a silicone plate. There are many holes in the silicone plate. Each hole corresponds to the position of a key. Underneath the silicone plate is a plastic sheet. The plastic sheet has many thin wires forming a circuit network. In the upper right corner of the keyboard is a PCB board, which is the brain of the keyboard. It has a microprocessor and a wireless signal receiver. The PCB is connected to two batteries via two wires to provide power to the keyboard. The other end of the PCB has a row of wires. The other end of the PCB has a row of wires that connect to a network of circuits on a plastic sheet. When we press a key, a small hole in the silicone sheet is pressed down. The two wires on the plastic sheet make contact to form a closed circuit. So the microprocessor on the PCB can sense the change in the circuit and recognizes which key is being pressed. The microprocessor then sends the code of the key, and then the microprocessor sends the code of the key to the computer. This is how a membrane keyboard works. Mechanical keyboards and membrane keyboards work pretty much the same way. They both use a circuit that closes and opens to recognize the keys, but the structure is more complex, because each key is a separate mechanical unit. It consists of a shaft, a spring, a contact and other components, because the closing and opening of the circuit is done inside the keys. So mechanical keyboards are more responsive, and there is no problem of key sticking. This is why esports players use mechanical keyboards.